If you're like many people, you go to the store hoping for fresh produce, only to find wilted, bruised fruits and vegetables. Maybe you've thought about growing your own food, but the time, effort, and physical strain made it feel out of reach. Now imagine a tiny robot in your garden planting seeds and spreading compost so you don't have to.
Hi, my name is Damon Rocha, and today I want to show you something that will make gardening and growing your own food a bit easier. This is my Rover SoilSpirit. SoilSpirit is a small modular autonomous rover capable of taking care of the most strenuous parts of gardening, namely spreading fertilizer and seed.
What you're seeing here is a demo of the rover's command center. Users can activate or deactivate the rover, which sets up autonomous control, and then override those controls given commands of forward, backward, left, and right. At the top, you see the rover pulling the hopper trailer, which is automatically distributing fertilizer. Then, as for obstacle detection, this video showcases the rover using the time of flight sensor to maneuver around an obstacle while pulling the hopper trailer. And with that, let's take a look at how all of this works. Underneath the hood, the rover is controlled via a mini computer. The one seen here is an ESP32. It also has a power bus to ensure that there are no dangerous voltages and protects from fires. And then as for the motor, the part of the circuit controlling the motors, we have two motor drivers and then a battery holder to power everything else in the circuit. Zooming out from there, we now look at the rover as a whole. And as you see on the lid there on the front and back is a time of flight sensor to detect obstacles in front of the rover. And on the back side is an obstacle detection indicator, which is just a two LED light circuit that I put together to show whenever the rover it thinks it's about to run into something. And finally, we have the cycloidal gearbox, which is what is used for the motors to be able to turn the wheels. This gearbox was made in a way that it provides maximum torque given the small four motors. And finally, for the last part of the rover, the part that allows for the soil to be distributed automatically, the hopper trailer is a 3D printed little miniature trailer that has a slide that pulls open and closed given a pull from the rover. The system just uses elastic and some metal rods to allow it to be opened and closed on its own. With SoilSpirit, I'm offering a tool and working assistant for your garden. Whether you're new to growing food or looking for ways to lessen the strain of it, this rover gives you a head start. It removes the most physically demanding steps and allows you to plant more and enjoy more food with less effort. Food security isn't just a global issue anymore, it's personal. Whether you're looking for ways to save money, you want to eat better to be healthier, or reconnect with the earth, growing your own food is one of the easiest ways to accomplish all of this. The truth is, the hardest part of growing your own food is just getting started. SoilSpirit takes care of that first step, laying seed and spreading compost, so you can focus on watching your garden grow.
I built this rover because tools should empower us. When they help us grow, sustain ourselves, and regain control, it's not just progress, it's independence. Thank you very much.